Hey everyone, back once again with a quick video for you to enjoy. It's been a busy week for me, personally, and it has certainly put a bit of a damper on the old creativity. Reality has certainly drained me of my creative juices and left me with a rather annoying art block this week. But if there's one thing I know for sure, if there's a sickness, there's a cure. And I happen to know one thing that will get my creative juices flowing again. It's time to give myself a treat. And there's nothing I love more than drawing some cute girls. I decided for this video that I would draw 3 of my favourite and lovely looking ladies from a selection of movies, video games and comic books. When you're going through a bit of a rough patch, it's important to take a break and treat yourself creatively to something you appreciate. For me, it's to draw some cute girls with a side order of pop culture. So just sit back and enjoy the rest of the entertainment that is unfolding in front of your eyes. I'm going to be heading off now. I hope to see many of you the next time we meet. Remember, if you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel and hit that bell to be notified of more great content heading your way. You can also follow me on social media, as well as stay up to date and see what I'm working on behind the scenes. Also, if you have anything you'd like to see me cover in a video, then don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. That's it for now folks, take care of yourself and stay tuned because there's more great content still to come.